Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Now, have you visited a zoo or a jungle? Ammo, I am so afraid to visit a jungle. Why? Because there we will have what? Wild animals. We'll see wild animals there. I am so scared. What about you? I will visit zoo and I have already visited also because they will be in cage. They will be in caves. Okay. So I am not afraid. I can go. But to jungle, no, I am so afraid. But now we will visit to a jungle, forest. How? By listening a story. Okay. Now all of you take out your CB books, children. Open page number 90. Page number 90. Yes. Brave Debbie. Brave Debbie. Okay. Now here you have a starter, children. You can see the picture. Yes. Now let us count and write the correct numbers. How many animals are there? What are there? You have to count and write. Now, elephant. How many elephants you can see here? Only one. So, write one there. Next, how many monkeys you can see here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 monkeys. Next, how many bears you can see here? 1 and 2. Next, how many rabbits? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next, how many deers? 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3. Next, how many kangaroos? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Wow. Now, you listen to the story about a deer. About a deer. Now, Debbie, the deer, lives in a forest. Now, what animals you can see in the forest? Lions, tigers, zebra, giraffe, elephants, bear, okay, deer, monkeys, all you can see there. Now, there in a forest, Debbie the deer's name was Debbie. Debbie lives in the forest. Her family is new to this forest. So, they shifted from the another forest. They came from one forest to the other forest. The family came. Now when you shift from one place to another place, isn't it? Now your father will get transferred or your mother will get transferred. You will shift to another place, isn't it? Like that only they too shifted to another forest. She does not have any friends. When you go to a new house, will you have friends there? No, it takes some time. If you ask them also, they won't accept, means they won't agree to be as friend. They'll see for some days, then they will become friends. Isn't it? So like that only, a deer went to a new place and the deer's name was Debbie. The Debbie did not have any friends there. All the other animals have friends. So when the Debbie went there, she saw the other animals. They were friends, but she was new there to that place. So she is not having friends. Debbie is sad. Why? Because she is not having friends. So she is very sad. Now you two will feel sad, isn't it? Mama, I am not having any friend here. We will go to that house only, old house. You will tell them? Yes. But Debbie did not say like that. Okay, she tried. Okay, now one day Debbie sees Becky the bear. Becky the bear. The bear's name is Becky. And Harry the hare. The hare's name is Harry. Hare means rabbit. Hare's name is Harry. Near the lake. One day Debbie sees Becky the bear and Harry the hare near the lake. They are playing hide and seek with Monty the monkey. So they three were playing. Who are those three? Becky, Harry, Monty. Bear, hare, monkey. So they three were playing. What they were playing? Hide and seek. Debbie wants to play hide and seek too. Now when near your house, when some children are playing, what do you feel? You too will feel like playing, isn't it? So Debbie also was feeling to play with them. She also wants to play with them. But the three friends did not let her play with them. So they said, no, we won't let you to play. Go from here. So they said like that. Debbie felt very bad again. Debbie asked, please let me play. When you two will go and ask, isn't it? Abba, please friend, let me play. I too will play with you. You'll ask, isn't it? Like that only, Debbie also went and asked Becky, Harry and Monty. But they three, who are those? Becky, Harry and Monty did not accept her to play, did not allow her to play. Soon Scooty the squirrel and Danny the donkey came there. Squirrel and donkey also came there. Now the five friends. Who are those five friends? Scooty, Becky, Monty, Harry and Danny. Five started playing hide and seek. Now they five started playing hide and seek together. Debbie is sad and alone. Just Debbie was sitting like this and seeing how they are playing. She was seeing. She was very sad because they did not allow Debbie to play. She sat under a tree and she was watching them. Becky the bear closes her eyes. She starts counting. Hide and seek means you will close your eyes and you will count, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, ready? You will be saying like that. So like that only Becky the bear started counting the numbers. A wolf is hiding behind the rock. So a wolf, wild animal, no? So it was very hungry and it was hiding behind the rock and watching them. He peeps from the side and sees Becky. Now Becky the bear closes her eyes and she was counting. So wolf was seeing Becky only to catch and eat. Now a wolf is hiding behind a rock. He peeps from the side and sees Becky. Becky does not see the wolf. Why? Because Becky closed her eyes and she was counting. So she did not see the wolf. Debbie sees the wolf looking at the Becky. Debbie the deer, it was alone sitting under the tree. Now Debbie saw, deer saw wolf seeing Becky, bear. The wolf opens his mouth and Debbie sees the sharp teeth. Why wolf opened its mouth? To catch and eat. And when the wolf opens her mouth, Debbie, the deer, saw the sharp teeth. Now when you open your mouth, you can see your teeth, isn't it? Like that only, Debbie saw the teeth of the wolf. Debbie shouts loud, "Help! Help!" So she want to save them. Debbie the deer want to save them. So she shouted, "Help! Help! Wolf! Wolf!" She was shouting. Debbie and all the other animals runs towards the rock. Now, when you are alone, you can't fight. Got it? When you are alone, you can't fight. When you go with your friends, you can fight. So, you should be friendly always. You should not fight with anyone. You should be friendly. Now, Debbie and all other animals run towards the rock. They jump on the wolf. They jump on the wolf. The wolf is so scared. The wolf is so scared, got afraid, that he runs away. When all animals came and jumped, it was scared. It got afraid and wolf ran away. Becky thanks Debbie for saving her. So, Becky was counting, closing her eyes and counting, isn't it? She did not see the wolf. So, who saw the wolf? Debbie saw the wolf. So, Debbie saved all the other animals, isn't it? Then, Becky came and she says, "Thank you for saving." All the animals says, "We are so sorry, Debbie. Will you be our friend?" Because she helped, isn't it? So, all were happy and they were asking, "Will you be our friend? Will you play with us?" So, they were asking like that. Debbie is happy now. Now, she has new 5 friends. Why she was happy? Because all became friends. Now, so when you go to a new place, first few days you will not have friends, and after some time you will have friends. When you get friends there, how you will feel? You will feel happy, isn't it? So like that only, Debbie also felt very happy. Got it? Now you read homework CB Unit 9. Brave Debbie. Brave Debbie. You have to read, children. Read. Okay. Read Unit 9, Brave Debbie's story. Got it? Thank you.